Ever wish your calendar could actually keep up with your crazy schedule? Between therapy sessions, meetings, school events, and everything in between, it can be a lot to juggle. That's where Kit's calendar feature steps in. It keeps your week running smoothly, your sessions in order, and your stress levels nice and low. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's start with the layout. Whether you're a day-by-day planner or a month-at-a-glance kind of person, Kit's got you covered. Toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly views, whatever makes your brain happy and your week clearer. Have students at different schools? Or do you see some students that are on a weekly schedule, while others you only see once a month? With Kit, you can create as many calendars as you need, and customize each one to keep everything organized. Just click on the plus sign to add a new calendar, give it a name, and assign it a color. You can also attach it to any schools you've already created in your account, so that way you can easily keep track of any school holidays and breaks. We know your calendar isn't one size fits all, which is why Kit's calendar feature lets you easily create multiple types of events. To add an event, simply click Add Event or double-click on the date. You can then add a variety of events, such as one-time events. This is perfect for quickly adding events like IEP meetings or makeup sessions. Repeating events. This comes in handy when scheduling students seen at the same time every week, or when adding monthly staff meetings. And last but not least, custom recurring events. This is great for students seen every other week or who follow a 3-1 service model. Need to tweak something? No biggie. Just click on the event and hit Edit. No matter how complicated your schedule feels, Kit helps it make perfect sense. So go ahead and start scheduling with confidence using Kit's calendar feature. It's flexible, intuitive, and designed for the way you work. Give it a try and make planning the easiest task of the week.